Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Godzilla video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a very detailed close-up of Godzilla's face. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla face, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up for the actual eye. Next, I'm going to come down and then bring this up to shape it out. Right around here, I'm going to make a couple little lines. And then I'm going to make a couple more little lines, just kind of go down and then around the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line that's going to come around, and it's just going to kind of curve down. And then we're going to kind of bring this down to here. Next, I'm going to kind of fill this up with these little lines. They're just going to kind of come down and around the eye. Next, starting here, let's put some little kind of like points and like little spikes that are going to go right around the eye of Godzilla. And we're going to bring these all the way around here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then right to here. And then I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to kind of curve these lines down a little bit. Then I'm going to bring another line that's going to come up. And then we're just going to go out and then down. I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to curve a line here and color it in for the nostril on Godzilla. Next, I'm going to make a little broken line down here. I'm going to bring this line down. We'll kind of curve this out, and I'm going to bring this right to about here. Next, I'm going to curve this down and then back. And then I'm going to bring this line down here and then over. I'm going to curve this line down, and I'm going to put a couple little points on the bottom. Then I'm going to bring this up and then in for the jaw. We're going to put a little curved line back here for the back of the mouth, and then a couple little broken lines just kind of show where the skin's kind of stretched. Then we're going to fill this up with sharp, pointy teeth. So we're just going to put some little sharp teeth on there. Then we're going to put some more sharp teeth on here, kind of different sizes. I want to make a line that's going to come out, down, and then up. And then another little line on here for the tongue. And then some kind of two little lines back here for the other side of the mouth. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then down. And we're going to kind of continue this right along here. As I get farther back, I'm going to kind of spread these out a little bit farther. And then as I get back here, I'm just going to kind of shorten them a little bit. Now, as I finish out the jaw, I'm going to make these kind of like big, pointed, kind of curved spikes on here, because he's got a lot more spikes on the side of his jaw now. So we're going to kind of bring these up and then add these little spikes, just kind of come out and then curve it around. And I like to leave like little spaces in between there. I think it makes it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm going to kind of fill in some of these areas with a few more little spikes. You can make them kind of different sizes too. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a broken line that's going to come all the way down to here. And then I'm going to put some more of these little spikes on here. I'm just going to make a point and then kind of curve them around right along the edge of that broken line that I just made. Next, I'm going to make some more kind of pointed lines right here. And we're just going to kind of continue these down. And then we're just going to kind of bring these to here. Now, down here on the neck, I'm going to kind of bring this line over, and then we're going to kind of curve this up. Make another one kind of down and curve up, down, and then kind of curve up with these broken lines to get some texture on the neck. Then I'm going to add some extra little lines kind of right around here for a little bit of detail. And I'm going to make some of these lines kind of come down and then back up, kind of show where Godzilla's gills would be. I'm going to bring some of these lines, kind of curve them a little bit. And then I'm going to bring some kind of curved, bumpy lines here. And I'm going to curve a line in and then down, just kind of in and down, just to kind of make a little bit of texture and detail. And we'll kind of like bring these up and in a little bit just for more detail. Next, I'm going to bring these lines down here on Godzilla, and I'm going to put a couple more here. And we're going to bring some broken lines kind of back here as well. Put a few more lines right around his nose, and then I'm going to put some of these long kind of broken lines kind of coming here along the lips. And then some more right here and a couple more lines right there. I'm going to bring this line up and then another one here. And then we're going to put a few more kind of little spikes right around there. And then we're going to add some extra little lines that are going to come right to here just to give it a lot of texture. We're trying to do a pretty detailed drawing of his face with a lot of designs. We're going to kind of make these spikes kind of show a little bit more by adding some extra little lines on there. And I'm going to add some extra kind of little lines coming down on the neck here. And then let's do some more over here too. I'm going to add some little lines kind of right around the spikes just to give them some detail. And then even some extra little lines on the top. I want to make some little lines kind of coming down on the top of the head. And then right back here I want to start adding some of his like pink dorsal plates. So I'm going to make a little point that's just going to come up and down. We're going to make one that's a little bit taller. Right here I'm going to make one that's going to kind of come up nice and tall. And then when I get to here, I'm going to make one that's going to come up. We'll kind of curve it and then bring it back down. And then I'm going to make these kind of extra little lines on here, just to kind of make it look like there's some texture on these dorsal plates. And there you go, there is your drawing of a more detailed close-up look of the new Godzilla with his pink spikes. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.